Dang. Can I get $1? Just give me $1. That's all I need. All I need is $1. Can I get $1, please? Please, can I get $1?
Bro, this game's not scary, bro. Oh!
Please, B, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Dude, I'm watching this stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful.
Mr. Beast donated $1.99 through Super Chat. Big Black Monkey Boy, Big
Mr.
Black
B!